In this video, let's solve the one of the easy and frequently asked interview question. The lead code number 14, longest common prefix. Write a function to find the longest common prefix string among an array of strings. If there is no common prefix, return an empty string. In the first example, we have three words given. The common prefix is FL because this FL is common in all the three words. So we need to return FL. If we look at the second example, even a first character is not matching with all these three words. So we need to return empty. Let's solve this in Java first and then C#. First I am going to check if the array contains words. If not, we will return empty. For that, if strs dot length equal to 0, then return empty string. Next is I am going to declare one variable string name prefix. I am going to get the first words from the array strs of 0. Taking the first word as prefix, then I am going to loop through the rest of the words. For that I am going to use for loop for int I equal to 1, I less than strs dot length I plus plus. From here, for this prefix, the prefix we took first words. Let's take this example. The prefix is actually in flower is in prefix. Here I am going to do one while loop from the current word inside the for loop, which is actually, if we start first time, it comes, the flow will be strs of I dot index of the prefix. If that matches, it will return 0. If not equal to 0, I am going to do some operations. Here let's take this. The first time when it comes inside, the flow will be in this strs of I. The index of this one. Flow is completely index of this one. It's starting from the beginning. So flow is already there. This will return 0. So it won't even go inside the while loop. The next time it will pick up flight. The strs of I will be flight. It is going to compare flight with flowers. When it the flight, so it will return this strs of I dot index of prefix will return some number, definitely not equal to 0. So it will go inside. Here I am going to remove the last word from the prefix. To do that, I am going to use prefix equal to prefix dot substring of starting from first character is then prefix dot length -1. So only one character I am going to remove. So this time we will have flower and prefix, not flower, flowe. So next time when the loop comes, still it will not match with flight. The flight is not with this one, so it is going to remove next character, so which is E. Then next it will remove this one. Still it is not matching with the index of prefix is not equal to 0. It will still come. It will remove this one. Next time it will remove this. When FL founds, it is going to match. So the index is equal to 0, it will come out of the loop. So by this time we will have FL in the prefix. So we can return that prefix. That's it. Let me run this. The prefix. The length is actually the method. I'm going to change it. Then run the code. It is accepted. Let me submit the code. Yeah, runtime takes only 0 millisecond, which is really faster. It is 100% of Java Online submissions. Let's solve this same thing in C# as well. I'm going to copy this complete code and change the language as C# and paste the code. Let's make the necessary changes. Here it is going to be length L caps and string, return empty, or we can return string.empty also. Here it is going to be small s. Let's remove this, is not required. In this the L should be caps, the index of I should be caps, substring S should be caps. In the prefix dot length it should be property, which is L caps, and we can remove the method. Let's run the code. This is also accepted. Let's submit. It took 104 millisecond, which is still faster than 61.32% of C# online submissions. This is how we can solve this particular LeetCode problem. In the next video, we will solve the different LeetCode problem. Thanks for watching.